Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a brilliant black 2016 Audi S4 Premium Plus, stock number A7474. Starting up front, you have factory fog lights. Hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim here. We'll get a close-up on the tread of the tires. You do have 18-inch Continental tires. Inside there is a power sunroof. You have a black cloth upholstery with a leather trim. That is in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row and seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Audi. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. You do have a dual-point exhaust here, as well as backup sensors on your bumper. There is a backup camera and keyless entry for the trunk. As you can see, it's very clean inside. You do have a set of carpeted floor mats as well as your all-weather cargo mat. And then that second row seating folds into a 60-40 split, so that'll give you lots of extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Audi today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities here. You've got your buttons for memory seating. There are power lumbar adjustments and all-weather floor mats here. Taking a step inside, here on the left of the steering wheel, you have some information buttons. There is cruise control here. And then on the right-hand side, you have your audio and navigation controls. Coming up above the rear view mirror, there are HomeLink garage door opener buttons here. And then down to the rear view mirror itself, there is a compass display. You've got this great touch screen here. This is actually where your backup camera shows. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio, and then you've also got a navigation system. Coming down underneath of that, you have your CD player here. You have your climate controls as well as buttons for heated front row seating. This is a 7-speed automatic transmission with a 3-liter V6 engine, and highway mileage that's going to get you around 28 miles per gallon. Coming down a little bit further, you have your parking brake as well as your push button start. And then down underneath of that, you have audio and navigation controls. If you'd like to get more information on this Audi or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.